Okay, so for that information you're looking for, unfortunately, it would take additional development hours because it would be a customization to get that info on the screen. So let's go into reporting and breakdowns, and we just want to see those PFS. Okay, so it's going to show that. And let's go to the total records. So I did find an easier way so that you don't have to scroll through a huge spreadsheet. So here are all the records here, but yes, they do not have the company name. So what you can do is select my download fields so you can customize your report. And so the deceiving thing here is that you think, okay, I check company and it's going to show up. Well, actually, your company field is a custom field because it's a drop down. So you do need to make sure that you have this custom field to check marked so that it pulls it into the report. I just kept it pretty simple. As you go through, if you want more complete information, anything else you need, you can check those boxes as well. But for the purpose of what I saw, it looks like you really just want to see this company field show up in your report. So I unchecked everything else. No survey questions, no activities. So I'm going to save field selections. And then when I go to download results, just open that. Okay. So what you'll see here is that here's the information, and this way now you do not have to scroll over, to column T. So I hope for now that suffices. I will definitely talk to development and see if it's a settings option that I can change, but my understanding is anything on that main screen takes some development time and is extra work orders. So let me know if there's any other questions, or if you need a different report, just email me and let me know. All right, thanks.